If you're interested in seeing if this lives up to the hype, keep on watching. Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell, and today I have a really cool video for you guys. It's a little different. It's not hair related because, as you can see, I have a protective style in my hair. So I'm doing something a little different today. So I was sent 2 perfumes by the brand called Dossier, and I'm sure you've seen numerous of videos on this brand, but I wanted to see and try it for myself. Dossier is somewhat of a new company. They reproduce high-end and luxury scents and fragrances for a fraction of the price. So I'm going to try these products out for you and share with you my thoughts. You guys know when you get a designer or a luxury item, you're basically paying for the name. So Dossier is taking away that brand name tax, if you will, and providing an affordable alternative to an expensive perfume. So today I have a luxury perfume and I'm going to compare it side by side, nose by nose, nostril by nostril, nostril by nostril with the Dossier product that imitates the brand that I have. One thing I really like about Dossier is that they give you a full-size perfume bottle and they give you the chance to try it out. If you do not like it, you can return it or exchange it. Oh, by the way, I am wearing a shirt. I am not naked. It's just a, what is it called? Bantu or bandeau top. So, and the camera is cutting it off. I wish I was sitting up a little bit higher. Or maybe I can bring the camera down lower. Let's see. Hey, buddy, you can see that I actually have a shirt on. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this box. I did already open it and smell it and used it, but I wanted to put it back in the box so I can present it to you guys and show you how it actually comes. So the box, very simple packaging. It's nothing grand. It's not a luxury product, so I wasn't really expecting much from that. Let's look at what they send. So, oh, ouch, it hit my knee. So it comes with the sample size, and it says that they are no longer doing this, so this must have been pre-packaged already, but they changed their idea because at first they would give you a sample size and you were supposed to try that out, and if you did not like it, you would return the full size and keep the sample. But now they are trying to reduce the amount of plastic that they are using, so they are no longer giving the sample sizes out. So you use a full size bottle. If you don't like it, you can also still return that. It's cool. I have a sample size. I can use it for travel. It's called the Floral Ylang Ylang, and it comes with a card like this. It has the description of the product, so the notes, what perfume is inspired by, and the concentration, the thank you, and how it works. Okay, so the top notes on this one are lily, grapefruit, blackberry. The middle notes are ylang ylang, tuberose, and jasmine. The base notes are musk, orange blossom, and orris. This one is inspired by the Chanel Gabrielle, and Gabrielle's my name, so of course I had to get this one. So this is the one I currently have, and I've used a little bit of it. I have so many perfumes. If you haven't checked out my haul, check it out because I have like, there's probably like 20 or 30 perfumes. They're high-end perfumes that I have, and I want to try them all out, so I do not go through my perfumes like that. And my boyfriend is very sensitive. His nose is very sensitive to perfume, so I have not been wearing perfumes a lot recently because of that. So I have the real one here, the Gabrielle Chanel, and I have the dupe here. So we are going to test them out to see if the dupe smells just like the original. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. How it works, it says any scent you order comes with a sample that you can test before opening the full-size bottle. Don't like the sample, just return the package with a 50 milliliter bottle and you will get a full refund. Returns are free and no questions asked, which is what I said before. So this is a 50 milliliter bottle. That is a lot of perfume. This is also 50 milliliters. So first off, comparing the two, they come in the same amount. They're a 50 milliliter bottle. This one looks a little bit better, in my opinion, the Chanel's Gabrielle. The price for the Floral Ylang Ylang is $29. The price of the Chanel Gabrielle is $105. So you're already seeing a $75 saving in purchasing this. So we'll see and test if this one is actually worth it. Do I save $70 and get this one and then I try out other different scents, or do I just spend $100 and get the Gabrielle Chanel? I found out that coffee is a palette cleanser from one of my YouTube friends. Her name is Caitlin Sunday. If you're interested in seeing her dossier review, I'll leave that down below. I didn't know that coffee is a palette cleanser, so I don't like coffee myself. I actually hate the smell, so I understand how it can be a palette cleanser. I got some coffee from my neighbor, and let's smell it just because. No. Okay, so that will definitely take away the smell. All right, so I am going to first put the Floral Ylang Ylang on. I'm gonna put it on this arm. So on my left arm, here's Floral Ylang Ylang. It's very floral and very soft. So I really do like that. I like floral, fresh, fruity scents. The Floral Ylang Ylang is a rare combination of the 4-star white flowers of perfumery: orange blossom, ylang ylang, jasmine, and tuberose. Perfectly balanced in order to provide the ideal white flower scent. This combination will tickle the senses. So I do like that. And one thing to know, I really like the tops. They are magnetic, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and clear or cleanse the palette, and we'll smell some coffee, which I hate. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and smell the Chanel's Gabrielle. Okay, off the bat, smelling this one, it's stronger. Now this one smells more of a fresh, clean, grown woman scent. And it's more in your face, like not as a bad thing, but it's more like, I don't know, prominent than this one here. So there's a little difference. The inspiration behind this luminous floral fragrance is an imaginary flower, a radiant and sparkling, purely feminine Chanel blossom based on a bouquet of 4 white flowers. A rich, enveloping heart of exotic jasmine shimmers with fruity green notes of ylang ylang, while fresh and sparkling orange blossom shines through, offering a glimpse of grass tuberose captured at its finest. The notes in the two are very similar. They both describe the 4 flowers. I do think these are very, very similar. This one, you can tell it's the original because it just smells stronger. I don't have to put my arm up to my nose to smell it. Like it's here. Like as soon as I sprayed it, I smelled it. I want to see if I can test this out and have someone else smell and see it blindly and see if they know the difference. So let's move on to the next one. We're going to smell our coffee. I don't know how you guys like coffee. I hate it. Again, this comes in the same box. This one does not have a sample. It's called the Fruity Oakmoss. The bottle is the exact same as the other one, and this has a 36-month shelf life. This one is inspired by the Creed Aventus For Her perfume. So I do not have that one, and I can't compare this one to that because I have never smelled that one before personally, but I am just going to let you know what I think about this one. So since I already put the other two on both of my arms, I'm just going to spray it onto the card that it came with. So smelling this one, you can definitely smell the green apple. Oh my god, it smells so good. This one I did not try. So I've only been using the Floral Ylang Ylang that's inspired by the Gabrielle Chanel. I have not used this one yet. You can definitely smell the green apple, the lemon, the rose. So I like on their website, they really say what a top, middle, and base note is. So the top note is the first note that you smell when you spray the perfume, which is what I said, the green apple. I smelled that right away, and the lemon. And then the other one is bergamot. I don't really know how that smells by itself, so I can't really say. The middle notes, it says it takes longer to evaporate and establish the characteristic notes of the perfume. So the characteristic notes of the perfume are rose, peach, and ylang. And it takes a little while, but I definitely do smell the peach and the rose. And then the base note, these notes evaporate slowly, making the smell last long. So you have musk, oak moss, and patchouli, and sandalwood. So you have to smell it a while to take in all of the notes that this fragrance offers. And I really do like this one. Fruity Oakmoss starts with a burst of citrus freshness and fruity crispness. After a while, it turns into the most exclusive perfume writing structure, the Spear, a blend of bergamot, rose, oak moss, and patchouli. Fresh, refined fruity oak moss as a masculine counterpart, musky oak moss has kind of a British film, hiding high sophistication under a casual appearance. So I do see how this can be considered highly sophisticated, but it's blended in with, you know, smells like green apple, which I wouldn't necessarily call sophisticated. I really do like this one. Now let's look, since I don't have the original or the one that's inspired by, let's look it up and see what they say on their site. Wow. I just looked up the site, and this bottle, the original bottle, costs $405. Wow. This bottle was $59. So still a very big discount, a deep discount when it comes to saving. So on Creed's website, the top notes are Egyptian green apple, pink berries, Indonesian patchouli, Indian bergamot. The middle notes are Bulgarian and Turkish roses. They are specific in the type of roses that they choose. Indian sandalwood and styrax musk. Base notes here are sweet peach, cassis, lilac, amber, and ylang ylang. So they switched up the order of the top, middle, and base notes between the different perfumes. I'm thinking that this is very similar to the original, but I think the different fragrances will hit you differently. The top notes are a little bit different. They both have green apple, but this one has pink berry and the patchouli, and the original one doesn't have any lemon in it. But I do think it could be very similar. So if you want to get something similar to the original but 1/8 of the price, this is $50 compared to, or $59 compared to $405. That's a lot of money to be spending on some perfume. I don't got it like that. I got it a little bit, but not like that. I'm willing to spend $100 on perfume, but not $400. Not $400. I really am impressed with the fragrances that I received from Dossier. So thank you so much for sending these over to me. I do like these, and if I didn't, I could always refund it within 30 days and get a full refund, risk-free, or I can exchange it for something else that I think I would like. So I really love this. I love the idea behind the company to provide us with affordable quality perfume, and because a lot of people, they don't have it to be just spending $100 on a perfume or $400 on a perfume. I ain't spending $400, so I appreciate that there are cheaper alternatives with a very similar scent. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video and now are interested in trying Dossier out for yourself, let me know in the comments below. If you already tried Dossier, let me know which one you got, what you thought of it, and if it lived up to the hype or not. Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post, and share this video out to all your friends who are looking for affordable perfumes for the fall. Fall is coming up, so a lot of people want to change their fragrances that they have based on the season. So if people are into that, let them know about Dossier, let them know about my video, share it out. Like I said, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below, so check that out. And until the next one, I will see you guys later. Bye!